Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Namakkal location. It is from Tamil Nadu. I am going to mention all the links in the description box to apply for this job roles mentioned in this video. If you are interested of any job role, you can directly apply from there. Without any delay, let's get into the video. Firstly, there is a job opening for the tennis coach. It is from Spectrum Life School. For this job position, the requirements will include all these ones, like you should have a bachelor's degree in physical education, sports management, or a related field is preferred, and you should have proven experience working as a tennis coach or instructor, and sound knowledge of various coaching techniques. NIS certifications and AITA certification would be an advantage for this job role, and the ability to motivate students, and you should have excellent organizational, analytical and problem solving skills, and you should have exceptional communication and customer service skills, and a passion for tennis. These are some requirements they are looking for this job position. Interested candidates, you can please check all the details mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for the Business Development Executive Gold Loan. It is from CSB Bank Limited. And if you see the job description, like promote products and services of the bank, achieve a given target by direct and indirect sales or marketing, and cross-sell other products of the bank. For this job position, you should have qualifications like it is a minimum graduation is required, and MBA or PG in finance or commerce or other relevant specialization is preferred. And for this position, the experience will be like you should have experience in NBFCS, and any industry with sales experience is preferred. For this job position, freshers also welcome. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the agency recruitment or development manager. It is from Exide Life Insurance. For this job portion, the responsibilities will be like execution of sales strategy, and you are responsible for recruitment and management of agents or advisors. Train and motivate advisors to provide a better understanding of market or products. Monitor and review agents' performance. Help them achieve maximum business, and you have to meet customers on a regular basis for achieving standards. Supervise and liaise with a self-help group or microfinance institution or NGOs, etc. And for this job position, any graduates can apply, and the candidates should have minimum 6 months of experience in any field sales, and NBFC or BFSC is preferred. Interested candidates, you can please go through all the details mentioned here, and you can easily apply from the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the senior .NET developer. For this job position, like it is from Ethic Soft Technologies Private Limited. And if you see the job responsibilities for this position, like customer recruitment analysis and converting them to software requirements or user stories, software architecture and component design, user interface based on WPF, and software components tests. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. And if you see the skills required, like you should have skills like Net, CAsh, Visual Studio, and experience in cloud technology, and you should have experience in SOA and software architecture design patterns. These are some skills I have mentioned here for the desired candidates should have. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details mentioned here. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Ethics Technologies Private Limited. They are looking for a net developer. For this position, you should have 4 to 8 years of work experience. And if you see the desired candidate profile, like 4 years plus experience in software design, development and deployment, .NET Core, net applications. and you should have experience and expertise in developing apps using .NET or Core, .NET, ASP.NET, WPF or CH, and exposure to main stacks like Mongo, Express, Angular, Node, and like that. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this position, you can please check in the description box for the link. Next one, embedded software developer are required for the same company like Ethic Soft Technologies Private Limited. For this position, the job description will be like this, like candidates who have relevant experience in microprocessor, microcontroller, embedded C, embedded SW development environment, and the candidates should be proficiency in C, data structure, and embedded systems, and you should have strong attention to detail with an analytical mind and outstanding problem solving skills, and you should have excellent communication and interpersonal skills. And coming to the advantages, like if you have certified in C or C++ or and MATLAB, like and certifications in cybersecurity or embedded systems, and you should have relevant course completion certificate in automotive embedded systems. These are the skills required for you. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the office assistant cum HR, and it is from Abhirami Engineering Construction. And if you see the job position like office accounts assistant, like the responsibilities will include bill entry in the ledger notebook, local purchase bill and expenses to be checked, project file maintenance, scanning, making photocopies and folder maintenance. And for the HR position, the responsibilities will include like maintain staff and all site attendance, PF and ESI register every month update, maintain staff records, issues offer letters, and work will involve mostly writing and a few checks on the system. For these positions, the timings will be from 9:15 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. For this position, freshers and experienced candidates both can apply, and it will be full-time job opportunity, and the salary will be 12,000 per month, and expected start date is immediate. They are looking for immediate joiners, and higher education is preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this position, like please check in the description box for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for the computer operator cum office assistant, and it is from Paranuval Overseas. This is a full-time job opportunity, and freshers are also welcome. And the salary ranges from 8,000 plus to 15,000 per month, and it is from Monday to Friday, and the education will be bachelor's degree is preferred, and 1 year experience candidates will be preferred for this position. Interested candidates, you can apply by the link given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.